Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we'll be making this portable handbag. It has an inner pocket and it also has two outer pockets. This handbag, the material is cut from a jean skirt. As you can see, the material is jean. So it also has two handles, the shorter handle and the longer handle. All right, let's get started. So the length of our material is 20 inches and the breadth of our material is 12 inches. So this is the interface. You place it on it like this and then we press it. After that, we fold the material into two like this. And then we measure 2 by 2 on both sides. So we repeat the same thing here, 2 inches for the length and 2 inches for the breadth. And then we roll it up. And after that, we pin it up and then we cut it. We cut out what we've measured. So this is it. I cut out the lining also. They are the same measurement. So this is the shorter handle. We need 2 pieces. Already press the interface. So the length of this shorter handle is 23 inches. Sorry, 33 inches. And the breadth is 3 inches. So we fold it this way. Like this. We fold the other part like this. And then we fold it like this. So this is how we fold it. So we stitch it up straight. So this is for the outer purse. We need 2. So the measurement is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. So now we're going to sew it to our lining. We place it on our lining. We sew it up and leave a small opening. So now we just cut out the excess lining. So we just cut it a bit on the edges, 4 edges, so that it will be easy to turn. And after that, we turn it to the right face. So we stitch up this opening. So what we'll be doing next is that we're going to measure 2.5 inches straight. So we roll it up. And then we place the outer pocket on it. Make sure it's well placed, it's in the center. We stitch it and repeat the same thing here. After that, we place our handle starting from the base. We stitch it up and repeat the same thing here also. So now we get a piece of material. We fold it like this. We place it on the rough edges and stitch it up. So now we just pin the handle so it won't disturb. We'll pin it on both sides. So we fold it like this and we notch the middle. So we pin this one also. We also fold it and notch it. After that, we fold it into two and clip the side. We clip the side also. And then we stitch it. So now we fold the base and we clip it. And we stitch it like this. So we need two pieces of material. This is the ring holder. It's 2.5 inches by 3 inches. We fold it like this and stitch it straight. Then we pass it through the ring. Then we just stitch it like this. So having done that, we'll place it on our material and we stitch it up. So we also stitch this one and stitch. So this is the lining, is already folded. So now we fold it like this and notch it. So we'll be using this. The length is 2 inches. We'll place it on the notched place. We'll measure 1.5 inches and place it. So I'll just pin it so that it can be firm. We stitch it up. We also measure 1.5 inches here. We'll place it on it. Make sure it's well placed. So we pin it also. If you know you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. And if you're enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up. Stitch it up. So this is for the inner pocket. It's folded. So it's 6 by 6 inches. That's the measurement. So we sew it up and leave the part a little opening. So now we just cut the 4 edges like this, so we can turn it easily. After that, we turn it to the right side. And then we close up the opening, just stitch it. So we'll place it on our lining and then we stitch. So this is the inner pocket. Now we fold it into two and stitch it up like this. We leave the opening here. So we stitch the base too. Also stitch this. So now we place the material inside our lining like this. Make sure it's well placed. Just put everything inside. So we bring the two parts together. Just clip it. The two notched points, make sure they are together. We clip it. So that is how we do for this part also. Make sure it's well placed. If you have watched to this point and you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button on your screen so you can get more videos from this channel, and you can as well help this channel to grow. So I'm just arranging it well. So we stitch it up. So this is what we have. So that opening we left, we use this to turn it to the right side. After doing that, we stitch up the opening. So this is it. What is left now is for us to top stitch it round. So this is the longer handle. It's 44 inches. I already fold it. So we'll be using this. We need to let me know in the comment section what you call this in your place. So we'll pass it through and we fold the edges and stitch it up. So we do that for this also. We fold the rough edges and then we stitch it up. So this is it. We just fix it to the ring and our bag is ready. So we fix it to the ring also, the other ring. So this is what we have. If you like, you can use zip. You can use a zipper. This is the inner pocket. So let me also know in the comment section, you would have preferred this bag with a zipper or you love it like this. So this is it. Our portable handbag is ready. If you have any question, do wait to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.